Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Today we're playing a do not laugh challenge where we are not supposed to laugh. Where it's cat version. I love you with all my butt. I'd say heart, but my butt is bigger.
Nobody goes until litter box is clean.
That one's pretty funny.
See clean paws. No has cheeseburger. I love you, couch. You understand me. We can rebuild him. We have the technology.
That one's pretty funny.
Nobody goes until
We already seen that one.
Scar brother, help me.
Oh, I get it because it's supposed to be the Lion King. I put a
half-dead mouse in Mom's mouth because she was not waking up to look at it. Diva. I found a cat hair on your shirt this morning. It was white.
Oh.
The blanket.
Yeah.
Cat's cage. Fur tea.
For the tough stains.
Oh, I get it. It's like, it's Cascade, but it's like a joke on Cascade, and it's saying that the cat is cleaning the tough stains.
Smiles are
contagious. Don't worry, I'm fascinated. That's cute.
You're hired now. Clean up my mess.
Look at that cute cat.
Oh yeah, how was your day? I just peed on Mommy's last clean worksheet.
Probably shirt.
That's pretty funny.
Why do cats clean themselves? They with their tongues. Cats clean themselves because they aren't strong enough to turn the faucets. I'm done packing. You can clean up now. Nope. Morning, Sam. Morning, Ralph.
Oh, he's just walking over him. How can they balance on that fence? I probably couldn't balance on that fence.
They all look like this in Japan.
That one's funny because it's a cat holding a bath shower, and the cat is taking a bath in the sink, and it has a rubber duck.
Oh, quit your screaming. I wash my paws in the toilet bowl after I use the litter box.
Ew.
Ew.
Oh, you can see little bits of litter inside of it.
On the plus side, this makes what I did in the living room seems less destructive. Go.
I don't get it.
Isaac, just go next.
One too many wind-ups.
Wind-ups?
Wind-ups. Whatever!
I don't get it.
Am I clean enough now? Oh, that's cute.
He just came out of the washing machine. That's sad.
Of course, I knew it was clean. You think I would sleep on dirty laundry? If they didn't buy us anything, you pee in your pants, I pee on the couch.
The cat kicked him off the bed.
Lost cat, please return dead and alive to earn.
Schrodinger?
The voices are telling me to kill you.
Oh my gosh.
I bet you are all wondering why I gathered you here today.
Oh my goodness, he's eating all the food. What a punk.
When life gives you a lemons, freeze them and throw them as hard as you can at the people making your life difficult. Okay, fast forward. Aw, that's cute. I hope to God that's Batman.
Oh, see right there? it's the shadow, and then he's saying that he wants to do Batman, but it's actually a cat.
Invincible parachute, invincible shopping cart.
It's invisible, not invincible.
Whatever. Invisible. Get adopted, they said. It will be fun, they said.
You looking at me?
Looking at me, fool.
Oh, it's a yoga cat.
What the?
Is that his lips?
Yeah.
Or is that his tongue?
That's his tongue.
Oh.
You need help cleaning tank. I can hold fishes for you. You can have.
Wait. I get it, because see that one, after it says I can hold fishies, it says fur, but it's fur like cat fur, because it's a cat.
That looks like your cat.
It totally does look exactly like my cat.
You may have a cat or plants, not both.
I think you lost.
No, I lost a long time ago.
I am God, I am God, I am God, I am God, I am God. Get off the table, you're not my real mom. I pooped on the floor next invisible window.
Oh, I get it.
Hey Clark, have you seen my blue?
It's not Clark.
It's Carl.
Carl, whatever. Clark.
Go down so I can see the rest.
No one must learn that my food is delicious.
You're kind of losing.
I know, but it's funny.
Run. It's going to blow. Save yourself.
10 rules. 1. All cartoon toys are...
Oh, it's a bear. You lost, Kali. Kaylee wins. I'm proud of you.
She laughed at the beginning.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, she did.
Well, let's review the footage.
So, human, I see you still think you're sleeping here today. It's not today. There are 2 kinds of people in this world.
Aww. That one's cute.
Puss in Boots. Modern Family! Free cat. Oh my gosh.
What?
It's Dad, I think.
Free cat.
Oh no! That's horrible.
Can I have a hug?
No.
Oh, that's cute. Litter box says clean when I woke up. Aliens. Okay, let's watch the video.
What video? Have we been done for long enough? Nope, it's only been 8 minutes.
It could be 2 minutes. These still 8 minutes.
Actually, yeah, 8 minutes is long enough for a do not try to not laugh video.
Do not try to not laugh.
Goodbye, everyone.